Says a 2 kilogram object is moving to the right with a speed of 1 meters per second when it experiences an impulse due to the force shown on the graph. What is the object's speed and direction after the impulse?
So, yeah, 2 kilogram object moving to the right at 1 meter per second. The first one has an impulse of this, right?
Yeah.
That's half a second. And this, what's the force here? -2. Okay. So do you remember how to do like impulse and momentum?
Sort of. Right?
So the impulse is what on this graph?
-2.
That's the force, but you actually find the area of this.
Oh, that's right. It's the area.
Yeah, that'd actually just be -1.
So this area is -1.
Right, because it's 0.5 seconds times -2 newtons.
Oh, okay. They use a J for an impulse, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then J, how does the impulse relate to momentum?
Equal.
Yeah, it's equal to the change in momentum, right? So if you have a certain momentum and you apply an impulse, it'll change the momentum by that much. So that's equal to P final minus P initial.
Okay. P final, P initial. With the P final, that's P final is
So P final would be,
what is it? Yeah, what would be in that graph?
it's not on the graph. This is just impulse. So that's just a graph of the impulse. But it would be in our pictures, right? Where it'd still have 2 kilograms and have some final velocity.
Right.
And that's what we're looking for, is this.
Oh, okay.
So what's the momentum here? That's the final momentum. It'd just be 2 times V final. What's the initial momentum?
2 times 1, which is 2.
Then we can put it in here, so we can say J is -1 equals 2 V final minus 2.
And you just bring it to the other side.
Yeah, so 1 equals 2 V final.
So it's 1/2. V final is 1/2.
Yep. So that impulse would be applied, hit the block, and it would slow it down by half a meter per second. Then what do we do on the second one?
Second one is it goes up to
Okay, let me. This is what it starts as, though, right? It's the same situation.
right.
So you have a force that kind of looks like that and happens over 2 seconds.
Yeah. So the V final and V initial are the same, right?
Yeah.
So we just use those.
Oh, wait. Yeah, that would be. So this is the P final is 2, P initial. And then you still have this 2 kilogram object moving at some velocity we don't know. P final is just 2 V final. Yeah, that's right.